See that mission. See that mission. No miss you.
I swear.
No miss you. And that's the way.
Not anything nakable.
I know why they tell you. I know if I reach there, nah. You will begin to tell me.
Spoil it down. Who be this? Who this babe?
Who are you? Eh?
Who? Come here. Come here. See money, Jesus. Zero bars. Well, how much do you say? Jesus. He funds. Okay. Don't chop this one. Waiting the rest she dey. She don't go. She don't be auntie.
Money dey there.
Leave her make go. See money. We don't achieve this money. Banana from her go. We don't achieve this one. That one don't go.
Say $1,000 now 1 million naira. You tell me say you go make money, come back with a ball. You tell me borrow money, say you go pay me back. You tell me to send you to Obodo Ibo, but today you die. I don't find you tired. Where you there? I be this one a prank you. He came where you there? I don't find you tired. Where you there? Your people they suffer. He came on let me know. He came okay, they be no. He came on let me know. He came okay, they be no. You tell me say $1,000 now 1 million.
Street is rough. Oh. Street is not safe for a woman like me at all. What if to say those boys catch me? Then for rape me. What's I could do now? I don't leave my money for there wrong. I could end up for this street. Make I look for where I will go sleep. It better pass street. It better pass life where they do so. Abi make I go look for work. Even if say they no pay me, make I see at least food chop. Okay, it came. Now you put me for this kind of condition right there, so. See waiting at the pass through because of say I carry my money, send you go Obodo Oyibo. You tell me say $1,000 now 1 million naira. See we are there today. 1 million suffering.
House girl needed. Like, how this kind big house will they look for house girl? Eh? Maybe now me they look for. Hey, Baba God, thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, this one. I said, I don't want kunu. I don't need your kunu. What if you all this wahala?
I know they say kunu. Oga, good afternoon. I see house girl, una need house girl. So, I can't wonder why this kind fine big house.
Wait. Why this kind fine big house you don't enter inside?
No verse. I can't wonder why this fine big house they look for house girl. I just just I mean they look for. They wait for me.
You see, you know that first time, now make I give you that romantic smile. But now, I don't get disappointed. I'm so disappointed.
What did I do?
This thing we post and say they look for house girl.
Na house girl work I wan come work now. Abeg carry me go inside. Now I sure say na me they look for. I sure say na me they look for.
Madam, you sure una fit do this work?
Una. No let me follow come oh. No let me they look for the work.
With all these your members, where you carry come, this Manchester United and Baka.
No let me follow come.
Yeah. You sure una fit do
I know who be una. No let me follow come look for the work.
Yeah, turn around. Turn around.
Sir?
Turn around.
Make I turn around.
Spin.
I no fit for the work.
You fit. But you sure say fit do am?
But no be oil and gas company I come now. Now house girl they say I fit not be to clean. I sabi clean well.
Let's go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Oh, it's okay. Let me open it for you.
Na person get this house. I be na government.
Not be ordinary government, or American government. Now then come down, come build this house. You know, see American flag? See American flag, even Chinese flag they there. That one they call Shishawaya.
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 Huh?
My friend, I want person get the house.
Hey, Chimo. This is a house. A house. Hey, you just said the person who get this house not be ritualist. Make I no go enter inside. They go come use my head do ritual. Oh. Eh?
Come they go. Come they go now.
I know they go anywhere. I just dey ask you because whether no be ritualist get the house.
So if na ritualist get this house now, so me I go come there alive. They not for put me for one corner for once inside that room. I did they vomit money there.
No verse. Why they ask? You know the condition of this country. Once person enter rich man house, and they go use the person for money ritual.
If you vomit money, where would they go? This say they drag your leg. You want to do the work, I be no one do am.
I go do am. You better make I die for big man house than make I die for jail.
Is it? So you be ex-convict.
Wetin be ex-convict?
So you escape from prison.
No, I never go prison before.
Why this policeman when they got this estate? No, leave me out. Police!
Why you talk like this now? I never go jail before. I just talk am out of poverty mentality. You know, say when person never see big man house like this, they go begin to talk nonsense. And they talk nonsense. No verse.
You escape from prison.
I never try for lie. I never try.
See, I want you, I no want for no reason. Make my oga give me wahala. Say I open this gate. Trouble from outside. Enter here.
Now work I find. I no be trouble. I swear. See what a mad cambo.
Young lady, who are you and what are you doing in my in-laws' kitchen?
Madam, na fine madam, na she employ me. Make I dey clean and dey cook for her. Na me be the new house girl.
My daughter did what? Bella employed you to work here. I mean, what was she thinking?
Madam, this your question get us. I don't look like person they go employ for this place.
Hey! Jesus! Hey! Jesus! Nonsense. How dare you? How dare you ask me questions? Who are you to even talk when I'm talking? You're asking me how you look? Isn't it obvious you are so stupid, timid, and disgusting, and as such, you're not supposed to be here? Are you trying to say I don't know what I'm talking about when I said you're not meant to be here? Anyway, I don't even have your time. Where's Bella?
Now so what should they do? One question, one slap. Which one should want deaf me? What should go to be this one now? So I talk now, you slap me.
Bella. Mommy, what is the meaning of what I saw in the kitchen? Where did you get that dirty girl from?
Nene. Oh, I'm sorry I forgot to tell you. I just employed a new maid.
What? You are employed a big girl, a full-grown woman as a maid. Did you really check her out? Didn't you notice that she's heavily endowed? That girl is capable of snatching your boyfriend away from you when he returns from abroad.
What a laugh, Mom. Come on. That local, dirty thing. Trust me. My man will not even spare her a backward glance.
Look at you.
I know him. He will not even be comfortable in her presence. Come on, Mom. That pig. Say something else.
I'm sorry for you. Look, she might be local physically, but inside her, if you know what I mean, inside her body is not local. Oh. And men can fall for anything. You better send that girl away. Send her away.
Madam.
Oh.
Food done ready. Thank you. Oh.
I dey cook well. I dey cook well. I don't understand.
I thought I gave you some chicken to add.
Oh, madam, yes, the chicken. You know, say as you give me the 2 big fish. Now I can't see if I put this chicken now, it go too much for the pot. And you know, say the economic situation of this country bad. So I can't drop the chicken for freezer. Can't prepare am with the fish. And you tell me say you like head. Now make me put them for you.
Are you mad?
Jesus! Hey!
What is wrong with you? Have you gone bananas? For God's sake, I gave you chicken and I gave you fish to prepare something for me. And you stand there to tell me about the economic state of this country. Are you mad or something? Is something wrong with your brain?
Madam, sorry. I just won't save on money now. I no need to make you get angry. Aish.
Nene,
Ma.
do I look like I am managing? Do I? Did I complain to you that I'm about to go broke?
No, ma.
Did I give you a box to save some money for me?
No, ma.
Then what is your problem? Do you have a problem with me?
No, ma.
The next time I give you any instruction and you flout my orders, be ready to go back to the street where you belong.
No, madam.
Now get out! Get back into the kitchen!
Thank you, ma.
Mom, can you imagine this?
What is there to imagine? What is there to imagine? Didn't I tell you? You see, she hasn't even settled down. She's teaching you. She's already teaching you how to run your home. This is just the beginning. The next thing, she will start telling your husband the things you are doing that is wrong and the things you're doing that is right. Send this girl away. You know, immediately I set my eyes on her. I knew she doesn't belong here. How can a grown-up woman like her not make a complete sentence in English? A total bush girl. I hate her.
Mom.
I hate her.
Mom! Hate is a strong word. Don't use it. Just calm down. Let's have a taste of what she's prepared.
You and who? Me, Vivian. Eat what is prepared by that pig. God forbid. And to think that there's not even chicken in the food. You know how much I love chicken? Then I'll sleep as low as eating what she prepared. That smelling girl. God forbid. Look, for your information, I've already placed an order online for what I will eat. Enjoy your dirty, stinking, whatever she prepared. God. Enjoy my food.
She might be silly, but she cooks really good. Mom! Yolas!
I don't bring your food.
Nene? What's happened now? Why could they carry face like this now? Why can't they squeeze? You know, some food they bring, come give me. If they squeeze face like this now, the food now, why can't they sour?
Now so slap, they just they slap me for this house. Now so they do for you. Just this afternoon alone, I don't receive 2 slap.
2 slap? What for now? Who does you slap?
Not be madam, mama. I just dey cook for kitchen. Now she enter, come they say, I'm not supposed to dey work for you. Now I call Asamo with clear mind, say, madam, why you go to say I'm not supposed to dey work for you? Boom, before I know. Now she def me 1 slap. I say, I don't even hear anything again till I cook finish.
Hey, you for no talk him now. That's a big man house. Anything where they turn yes, sir. If you not ask him that kind of question now. Who can dash you second slap?
Now, madam, madam say she give me 2 big fish and chicken. Say make I prepare food. Now I can't check am. As a good person where I be. And you know how the country dey, the economy dey very, very bad. Now I can't drop the chicken, can't use the 2 fish take cook. I do bad. Before I know, person see the deaf will not be here. She deaf me another slap.
Nene, this particular slap, this second one now, you deserve them. Yes.
You dey support them.
Trust me, you deserve them. They're supposed to knock you. Boom, boom. Make sure say your teeth come out, fall for ground. Your eyeball go come out outside like this, enter back. You dey grace? Madam will get house, give you money, say, cook like this. Now you can't get, you can't select what you want to cook. He give you chicken, say cook. You go drop chicken, you use fish. As what now? See, man, I tell you something. I don't tell madam say you sabi this work. And I don't even like give and say, I sabi you. I don't want anything. We go coach my job. I don't tell you. If you don't sabi do this job, no, just waka they come out. I don't even know.
Not be to save their money, I won't save their money. And you don't know how the economy of the country dey.
Mother Nigeria. Mother of the nation. The country now be your problem. Money where they don't, they chop for this house. You never finish. Now as you come, the money don't finish. Now open your eyes. Look this house. No, look the house. The house look you like where people where carry poverty mentality feel live.
So anything where I talk, you go use poverty because I come from poor background.
Not because of your vein. The thing they enter your vein. Everything about you, what you think about now poor people. You said,
Now so una they do for here. Now wow. They know they use pick and throw away become rich. No one they take am easy.
This thing where you dey talk now. Poverty mentality, na it also. These people, they don't already they rich.
Make a con dey go before you go insult me past the one way they insult me. Nonsense. My eye. You did me too. I don't go like you.
Next time you try this one now. You gonna see like 13 at once. Drink water. Room temperature. Yeah. Why you divide fish?
So you mean Mama, Nene came back to this house, packed her bags and left?
That's what happened though. We don't even know where she is or how she is faring. I'm just tired.
You mean she didn't tell you her whereabouts? Not even an address or phone number? Because we've been calling her number and it's been switched off.
Something happened when I told Chineye to call her number. For the past 1 week now, Chineye has been trying. In fact, we have been trying her line. Switch off. I pray nothing happened to my daughter. I hope nothing has happened to her. I pray. Oh.
Nothing has happened to her. I believe it's network, or maybe her phone battery is dead. She will call. I believe so. She will call you.
Let Nene call me. Nene should call me. You know Nene is my child. You know she's my daughter. She should call me. I want to hear from her. Nene should call me. Let nothing happen to my daughter. I want to hear from Nene. She should call me. It's okay, Mama. Where is Chinenye? I sent her to my village to check if she's there. We were thinking, because of the pressure, maybe she decided to run to her maternal home.
Oh, that's a great move, Mama. But Mama, Nene does not used to hear. We warned her from collecting that loan. Now she's doing hide and seek. How will she use her money and send Ikem to abroad? Ikem is there now enjoying himself, but she's there doing hide and seek. Mama, Nene does not used to hear.
At all! Oda ani here, mama. Oda ani here. Oda agba ka nne ya. Oda agba ka muwa. Kai, kedebe nwa si biara mu wa. Hey!
Make sure you find everything I wrote in that paper you're holding. Are you hearing me? Now take the money and make sure.
Madam, Mama, I beg. I feel go this message when rain stop. Rain dey fall too much.
You must be very mad. In fact, you are mad. Oh, you mean I should wait until the rain is over before I use those things? Huh? Are you not being paid for this job?
Una dey pay me well. But the thing be say, if I enter this rain now, I go sick. And my sickness no dey good.
And who cares? Who cares if you fall sick? You simply buy drugs. Don't we fall sick?
I don't know.
I'm beginning to regret hiring you. The first day you came here, I asked you a simple question. Are you sure you can do this job? And you gladly said yes. So what happened?
I'm sick if I enter rain.
You know what? I think I agree with my mom. It's high time you're sacked.
Exactly. Sack this girl. Sack her.
Mama, beg. I beg make una no sack me.
No, do face. No, give me the money and go and pack your things.
No, I go go. Sorry.
This girl needs to go. This girl does not deserve to be in this house. She needs to go. Bella.
Mommy?
When is my in-law coming back?
Mom, the way you call my boyfriend your in-law, one would think he's already paid my bride price.
How much is the bride price? How much is the bride price compared to all he has been doing for us? Look at this beautiful big mansion. He asks us to live in. And as if it's not enough, he sends monthly allowance to us for our upkeep. So, what more do you want?
Mom.
In fact, he's already my in-law.
Why are you hustling my boyfriend now, Mommy? What's this? If I don't know better, I would think that you're liking my boyfriend. Mom, please, come on your eye.
When you are too dull. If it's possible, I'll take over. Because I can't afford to allow this opportunity.
You mean you're still here?
Hey, I fit see umbrella, even if na small one. Make I take go buy the thing, abeg.
You mean umbrella?
Yes, ma.
All right, come.
Come, there's one under this sofa I'm sitting on. Okay. Jesus! Hey, madam, come now! Come! What is our problem now? I don't know. See why I hate poor people. I hate poor people with passion. They will be suffering, in their homes. They will be suffering and they'll be feeling good about it. But once they find themselves in a rich man's house, they will start complaining about those things they were suffering and were smiling. Can you imagine this dirty thing? Asking for umbrella. Why is she not asking of flight or even a car to go buy something for me?
Mommy, can we just forget about this silly girl? Come on.
This girl has to leave this house. She will have to leave.
Mom.
I'll get another maid for you.
Mom, I have something to share with you.
What is it?
It's good news.
Good news. All right, shoot. I want to hear.
But, no, I think I should keep it a secret for now. Yes, it should be a secret.
You've come again, this girl. You've come again. Anyway, as long as it's a good news, I am ready to wait for as long as possible.
Like you had a choice. How I love popcorn.
Where's my own popcorn?
God, which kind of life be this? If I enter inside that rain now, who could they catch me? Even for village, if rain beats me, I go fall sick and my sickness not dey good. Which kind of life be this? He came now, he put me for this condition. After everything what I do for you. Empty my account. Gave you everything. You even promised me say you'll come back for me. You tell me say $1,000, now 1 million. I no see you. I no see money. Now see the condition why it is so. Who go take care of me? Oh no. Hey. I want to do this sickness now. Good. Nene, you need to be. What are you doing here? Have you bought the things I asked you to buy?
Mama, yes, I go market under rain. Couldn't catch me. Bless, I don't get fever.
So, have you prepared lunch?
Mama, we still get food for kitchen. What did I prepare yesterday?
So, you must be very, very stupid. You are very stupid. Oh, are you expecting me to eat the same thing I ate in the morning?
Mama, if I stand there, I go fall down. If I stand there, I go fall down. I go stand up. Stupid girl. I go stand up for me. I go stand up. I go stand up. Look at you. I go stand up. Hey, move first. Come.
Want to stab me in my in-laws' house?
Sorry.
Come on, get out of here.
Sorry.
Nonsense girl. Does this girl think I'm like a wretched village mother who eats the same thing morning, afternoon, and night? This is my in-laws' house. I should enjoy myself. Nonsense.
what's keeping that silly girl in the kitchen?
In fact, that girl obviously wants me to kill her. She's pushing me to kill her. So annoying.
Nene, what's kept you so long?
No, because I use my last strength to prepare this food. Oh, they catch me.
If you're sick, then go and get drugs.
Stupid girl.
Come on. Sorry.
Madam, I beg no vex. I beg, I fit see 500 naira from my salary. Make I go buy drugs from chemics. Make he mix drugs for me. I beg, I dey die. I beg.
That's fine. When I finish eating, I'll give you the 500 naira.
Madam, I beg, I fit die before you finish. I beg.
Are you mad? What is this? After keeping me here for hours, now you want me to stand up, go upstairs and give you 500 naira for you to get drugs? Are you stupid? Get out of this place! Get out! You can't even eat in peace.
Jojo.
Mom, it's like she wasn't joking when she said she was sick. Oh my God. Nene!
I hope this guy does not want to put us in trouble. Eh?
Nene! Mom, feel her. Is she? Oh, is she?
She is not breathing.
What? What do you mean she's not breathing?
Nene! No, this must be a joke. Nene! Hey! Okay, hold on. Mom. Where did you even get this girl from?
Mom, don't blame me. What do you want me to do right now? There's a situation you're blaming me. What's that?
So what are we going to do with her?
Mom, let me think.
Chai! See, that person picking me so. The only party what you do now to leave your village and you come also for city. See as you take like that, yeah, lifeless. Hell! What you go telling people now?
Which people? Jojo, which people? Can you just keep short? What's your problem? If you do not have anything positive to contribute, then shush it! What's this? Are you not a man? You're supposed to come up with ideas to help us perhaps dispose the body.
Dispose what? Dispose this body now. Full-fledged human being like this.
Half-blown human being.
That's not the part.
Will you shut up? What's your problem? Huh? You see, Bella, I told you bringing this idiot is a waste of time. Have you seen it? He practically has nothing to offer.
Jojo! Shut your mouth! Let me think. Mom, blanket. That's true. Hurry up. Shut up. Hurry up.
Nene Chai, now you they won't cover for blanket like this, oh.
Shut up your mouth.
Now you they will stand up, don't tell us.
Shut up your mouth! If I use slap to seed your mouth.
Well, they sure say she don't die first. At least when I go just start praying first. She don't wake up. Nene, wake up in Jesus' name. Nene, wake up in Jesus' name. My father.
Jesus. This one almost killed you. Jojo.
I don't kill you. I don't kill you. I don't kill you. I don't kill you. I don't kill you.
I die.
I don't kill you. I don't feel. I don't follow. Now, madam and mama, oh, they say go throw away you inside bush. I don't be my idea at all. I don't kill you.
Throw away me inside bush.
I will not die. I remember say I carry food drop for madam. I know where. And I couldn't they come out. Now I've come for. Madam won't go throw away me for bush. So she no fit carry me go hospital. So madam think say I don't die, come won't go throw away me for bush. So she no fit carry me go hospital. This one pay me.
So, you know die?
If I die, I go to talk to you. Now sickness, why I sick? Why I tell madam make she give me money, make I go buy drugs. Now madam won't go throw away me for bush.
I just say you know die you.
Hey!
Madam! Madam! Madam!
How are you now? Now God hand I did. But you know you have to be blamed. Yes, you have to be blamed. It's all your fault. Why didn't you tell us that the sickness was a serious one?
Exactly.
Because we thought it was mere cold.
Yes.
You told us because of the rain that you're feeling cold.
If we knew how serious it was, perhaps it wouldn't have gotten to this.
Madam, when I collapse, why you no carry me go hospital? You won't go throw away my body for bush. He good.
Will you shut your mouth? Will you shut your mouth? Would we have decorated you and kept you inside glass? What's that now? Because we now decided to come here and say and check on you now, you now want to come and be showing muscle. What's even wrong with this one? If you're in our shoes, won't you have done worse?
Oh.
Won't you have done worse to us? How would you explain it to people? How would you explain it to the police that you just suddenly died like that? Who would believe us? See, this should serve as a deterrent to you. In case of next time. I'm not saying you should not die, but if you want to die, not in this house, go to your village now. At least die by your people. Because if you die in this house, nobody will see your body. Let me just tell you now, nobody will see your corpse. So go to the village, die there.
That is it. Look, this is the opportunity we all have been waiting for. Sack this girl. I don't know why you're still keeping her here. Sack her, send her back to the street where she belongs before she put you into trouble. Madam, I beg. Okay, I no go die for you. No sack me.
Better.
I promise I no go die for you.
Better. Don't try. See, I don't have time for sick people and their nonsense. So respect yourself, oh.
And clean those tears. Look at you. They gave you a fine house. Look at fine room. You now want to die on top of it. Stupid girl. God, I beg, no make I die for you. I beg. I don't want to die when they throw me for bush. Wait till my mama go talk. Wait till my sister go talk. God, I beg. I beg.
I don't understand.
you not supposed to come and sweep? What's wrong with this one now? What kind of cry is that one? Did you die? And you're here still crying? I better come and sweep, Joe. Ah.
Take your food.
Take it easy. Huh? Easy, oh? No. I'm sorry. Huh? You see, everything happened for a reason. Everything happened for a reason. Nobody even know what God they plan for us. If you say this situation now won't make me and you talk to brother and sister. Not the way I know too. Not the way I know talk. Tell madam, say, make they no go throw away you for that place. But madam begin to threaten me. Say, if I know carry you, go through that place. And so they go to say, na make you. Me, I can't dey fear. Out of fear. Out of fear. Not be from my mind. I can't follow them, carry you go through that place. I beg, go back.
Jojo, you don't do stand up. Stand up. You don't. I know they like me person need that for me. I know be God. Stand up.
I can stand up.
Yeah, stand up. Take your food. See, I know they do like that too. I know they use evil, pay evil.
Yes, yeah.
I be very good person.
You be very good person.
With all the way that they treat me for this house, shebi na me still they cook food for them, where they chop put for mouth. If I be bad person, if I won't pay them with evil, wetin be rat poison? If I don't give them rat poison now.
Nene. Come.
Eh?
Yeah, oh. This food, where you bring come give me like this. You put the right poison.
I don't put rat poison. Hey, God. You know, say, I know say I no go school, but no me say I no get sense. And now, if I put rat poison for this food, shall I go tell you? You don't think I'm like that?
If it be.
Hey, I don't really suffer for this house. I don't suffer. With everything one they do me for this house, you know what my boyfriend take do me? My boyfriend, why I borrow money, send go abroad.
What?
That one a matter for another day. In fact, the man where I borrow money, send my boyfriend abroad. I see the man for my dream. That way be saying, when I faint, I die. I see him for my dream. The man, as I see him face, I begin to run. The man carry cutlass, they pursue me. That's the next thing, just carry the cutlass. As I fall, the one hits me. Now I wake up. I said, Jesus. I wake up.
That's serious matter be this.
Ha!
That means that man, I bring you come back to life.
You don't see him now. My dear, eat your food. Don't worry yourself.
Come first. It means as you did like this, you send somebody go abroad. As you call they do house care like this, you get money where you go send somebody go abroad.
Now condition I make crayfish bed. You don't look me less. I know say I get them before no be property, yes. But I been get them. I been they do business and they do well. Yes! I send my boyfriend go abroad. In fact, I borrow 1.5 million naira from the man where I say they pursue me for dream. I can't even add them with my life savings. I started to save that money when I did 15 years. So imagine I don't gather money, give her my boyfriend, make carry go abroad, make things better for him. See today I never use I take see her.
I be Messiah.
I just not love. Now love, now carry me come here. Hey. But I know say God ready for heaven, they watch everything will happen. My dear, make her go inside before madam will carry slap, finish me for my life.
Nene.
Jojo, what's the problem?
Nene.
Jojo.
You know, me and you, we are friends. I just make her ask you. You sure say don't forgive me?
Don't forgive you now.
Because this food where you give me, because they talk about rat poison. They know they take rat poison. Use and play with first son of the family. And maybe my family hope. I fit chop the food.
You too they fear.
I dey cook. No worry.
Wow. Nene. Now I believe you.
I beg go.
Forgive and forget.
Who you dey look for?
You must be the local village girl my friend employed.
Auntie no dey around.
I'm aware. I called her on the phone. I know she's not around. Here is my clothes. Iron it while I sit and wait for her.
Eh? You say waiting. Make I press your clothes, auntie. You dey play. I no go fit press your clothes. You dey pay me salary. Why I go press your clothes?
Are you talking back at me? You, local village girl, speaking back at me. Are you okay? You should be happy I want you to lay your filthy hands on my clothes. Do you know how expensive it is? Or you think it's this rag you're putting on?
Auntie, you see this rag where they put on, where you call am? I like the job. You see this work where they do? I like how because now they give me food where they chop. And any work with person they do, suppose they proud of the work where they do. And I'm proud of the house girl work what they do because now what they feed me. Auntie, I no go press your clothes. See, go up transformer. I no go do am. You know sabi talk. You no get manners. You no get manners. As my madam friend, if you want me make her do something, you don't hard me. But now the way you go talk to person, I go come do it for you with happy mind. You dey say make I go press your clothes. Local village girl go press as waiting. Who you be? Auntie, I don't go do am. I don't go ask my madam friend. I will say okay. If you enter house, I go serve you food. I will say you fit drink. But for me to press your clothes, I know fit. Auntie, look me. I know fit.
You're talking back at me. Jeez. Do you want me to tell my friend to sack you? Do you want to be sacked?
If you finish, you enter us.
I'm so sorry. So what you told me over the phone is true? That my maid refused to open the door for you?
Bella, if not that you're my friend, you wouldn't have met me here. You need to see the way your maid was shouting at me. She was just screaming. All because I asked her to open the door for me to wait for you. She was just insulting me.
No, it will not happen in this house. Not in this house. Jojo!
Mama, Mama?
Come here. Where's Nene? Inside. She will tell me where she grew wings in this house.
Excuse me. No vex. I said, make I ask you, why you wicked like this now? Why you wicked like this now? And they are the here saying now you they even they insult Nene. Now you they throw no bad word where you no throw gift again. But now you call the turn things around now because she poor. Yes. I don't know why all this when I rich people when I like to they oppress the poor. Make when I did all this is when I do like this. But I know say God they look the poor. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow.
I know tomorrow is Saturday. And the next time you speak to me in that manner, I will convince my friend to sack you. Don't try it again. Else I blind your eyes. Rubbish.
Like talking. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Because you're rich and pride in your body. Pride in your body. So now God, I'm going to ask, why God they carry riches, carry money, they give it when you get asked to like this? Me where they humble. See you there. I go go up, push get come down, push get go up. I go blame you. Don't go make Mama was. I'll leave this one and then go for.
Begin when mama dey sell charcoal. One day, you go wear white clothes. Na promise. I dey promise you this. Begin when mama wear white, they sell charcoal, go wear white clothes one day.
Jesus Christ! Get up! Jesus Christ! Madam! Get up!
Madam! How dare you lock my friend outside? Have you gone nuts?
Madam, I don't... Me lock your... Madam, now what did she tell you? I don't lock her outside though. Why you like it? Madam, she...
Look at this fool. Are you calling me a liar? If you didn't lock me outside, what was I doing under the sun waiting for her? I pleaded with you severally to allow me in, but you refused.
Jesus. Madam, you no face your friend in lie. Madam, God. Madam, she come say make I press that. She carry clothes say make I press for her. And the way she tell me, she tell me talk to me like say I no get sense. Say make I press cloth for her. And so, oh, madam, see where do me pay me?
So?
Pay me.
If my friend brings her clothes for you to iron them, what's the big deal? Tell me. What's the issue with that?
But the way she say talk to me.
Was she supposed to come and kneel before you, plead with you to help her iron her clothes? Before I close my eyes and open them, those are the clothes, right?
Yes, please.
Pick them up and take them inside. Iron them quickly. Now. Single. Vera, I am so sorry. Please. I apologize for what that stupid girl has done. Please. What do I offer you? Come on.
Anyway, the only thing I want you to offer me is the gist about your abroad boyfriend. Gist me.
Okay. So
what? Come on. I want to hear.
Which kind of rubbish be this one? Eh? Even if she won't talk to me, she don't get sense. Say she go talk to me where? Eh? She don't say she go talk to me where as my mother and friend. If you want send me message, you go talk to me as human being. You know go insult me, put on top. Come they lie on top of my head. No worry. I go show her now say I be nene. You see, I just come here, come they do slave. She say I be mumu. I go show and say nene na rugged girl. Make she wait, make she no worry. I go show and tell her. Very good. I could give a map of Africa. Good.
You know your boyfriend is coming back to Nigeria too.
My darling, there's this huge business he hit recently and he made so much money. So I told him to just come back, set up some companies and, you know, let's start up our own family. What are we waiting for?
Yes, that's a brilliant idea. You know, before these white women take him away from you.
My darling, hey, as soon as he gets back, I am going to speedily take in for him. At least, make I use that one to hold on small.
Don't be here again. I trust you. I mean, look at the mansion you're living in. Coupled with the monthly allowance. Babes, just hold this your blessing very strong.
Why the one saying this thing? You need to see the way I'm holding it. I am holding it physically, spiritually, and even with my mental strength. My dear, where do you see this kind of man these days? This man cherishes me. He takes care of me. He doesn't even joke with my monthly allowance. Not just me. He takes care of my mom. He doesn't joke with her monthly allowance. In fact, he's everything.
So lucky. Speaking about your mom, I've not seen her since I came.
That one, she went to the village for August meeting. She should be back, say, month end or something. I don't know. My love, I am super happy.
I am happy for you too.
Oh, I know. Each time he calls me in the morning, he will like,
Madam, I don't press the clothes then finish.
hope you did that properly.
Yes.
Then give it to her. What are you waiting for? What are you still standing for? Are you waiting for us to bow down?
Mannerless maid. Look at her.
Don't let her spoil the mood. As I was saying, when he calls in the morning, he's like, my queen, hope you slept sound.
Oh, my husband, look at me. Oh, babe, cheer up.
What did you do good? I dey tell you.
Nonsense.
From today, she don't go ever carry clothes. Come give me iron.
See, but this say she give me clothes, no be my problem, or make I iron no. Now the thing where they pay me, now say she lie on top my head. Come insult me on top.
Imagine.
Can you imagine? See that one? You know, say that her dress where I born, if fine well. If she reach house, she go cry.
Make she cry.
She go cry.
She deserve the cry.
Abi?
Yes, now. See, now you even they do like say they build church for inside una palace. You for add on pepper.
Ah.
You go put pepper so that if he wear them, he gonna. That's what you gonna.
You wicked bastard! What's so funny? I want to join in on the laugh. Sir? So all you do is lazy around, eat my food, joke around, laugh, and at the end of the month, you come for your salaries, right?
My bad.
Madam, no vex. I don't do everything where you say make I do. I just say make I come here, come ask her whether you don't eat. Now what's happen?
Mother Mary, you are done with everything you're doing inside. Then if there's nothing to do, you find something else and do it. Get inside. Okay. Go and look for something to do.
Madam, go inside.
Did I ask you, interpreter? Go back to the gate. Okay. Open the gate, my friend needs to leave.
Okay, you need to leave.
Lazy. They're so lazy.
Okay, babes. Don't forget to let me know when your guy comes back, okay? So I can come say hello to him.
I definitely will. Trust me on that.
All right, love.
Thanks for coming.
All right.
And drive carefully.
Sure.
I invited you both to inform you that my fiancé will be coming back from the States tomorrow. He's the owner of this house. And I want this house sparkling and squeaky clean. Nene,
Ma?
you're a very good cook.
Thank you very much, ma.
So I want you to prepare something delicious for my man. African food, to be precise.
Madam, you don't get problem. I go prepare apple and ofoha.
I am still talking. As I was saying, I want you to prepare African food with lots of fish and meat and all those, traditional stuff you use. Now, we're not lacking anything in this house, are we? You don't pay for anything in this house, do you?
Everything dey.
Good. Nothing should be lacking. Make sure it is delicious, filled with a lot of protein. It's very important. Do you understand?
I understand very well, ma.
Any questions?
Yes. There is a question. Thank you for this singular honor to contribute in this family meeting. As an African man that is coming to visit his hometown for a very long time, I heard you talked about fish, meat, and you did not include water. Palm wine, fresh one.
Nkwenu karaka.
They do them anywhere. You have to include water. I have a friend from Soka. His father is a digger. And he can build the water.
Nkwacha karaka.
Yes, we prepare it for Oga. I know Oga will like it. And as he's coming, he will miss it.
Are you done ranting? You both? It's obvious you understand what I said, so get out. Leave!
Oh, sorry, ma.
Thank you, ma. The both of them. What a silly pair. What was I thinking?
Jojo. So you dey try to tell me now, say, no be madam get this house.
This all you they ask me again and again and again and again. I don't tell you, say no be madam get her. Now the boyfriend I build the house.
Madam, they very lucky. So, man fit dey build house for woman like this, big house. Say na relationship they do. He came. After everything where I do for you, I sell everything where I get. They send you go abroad. Phone call, I no hear shishi from you. And a man, they build house for woman. He get people with relationship favor. He no favor me at all.
Nene, what's the worry you now? Relax now. This boy got to begin to cry because of Ikim. I don't tell you to stop to talk about this Ikim. That guy, as we talk, if he don't die outside.
God forbid. Ikim no fit die. He no fit ever die. God no go let her make it die.
But he don't abandon you now. He don't abandon you. That guy now, if he dey that side now, with one white woman, they chop him money. And you dey here, they worry yourself. Why can't you just move on?
You no go understand. He came na my investment. If he die or if anything happen to him, how I wan take see my benefits? You no go understand.
But the guy don't abandon you now. He don't leave you now. Maybe as me and you, they talk like this. That bros, they with one white woman somewhere, they flex themselves. Why you know you just move on? Just forget all this thing where we say the thing will become the trouble in your mind. Leave her and make it go. Work here, save your money. Start a new life.
Abi no make am.
You know, say not be everybody wey travel abroad they make am. Maybe na shame they make am. You never call me.
You be true, you get points. You know, say some people they think say anytime you enter abroad, film. Money dey ground, you go to pick money. No be so. If you be say the guy never see make am kwa. So now what you go to think front, you go to think back. You think front.
Or if you call me at least, make him I know saying their life.
You know how much they take the call person from abroad come here? Only phone call long. Oh God, if you be say you don't get money, or if you still be say you don't die, you know say they keep you.
No, they talk that kind thing. I know they like am, I beg.
Okay, if you be say they don't marry, if you be say you don't get money.
You tell me say $1,000 now 1 million naira. You tell me say you go make money, come back with a ball. You tell me borrow money, say you go pay me back. You tell me to send it to Obodo, but to where you die, I don't find you tired. Tell me where you there. I be this one a prank you. It came where you there. I don't find you tired. Now where you there? Your baby they suffer.
Thank you. How are you? Yeah, happy to see you again. Missed you.
I missed you more.
I know, right? Oh, okay.
You can see they're taking good care of everything.
Of course, I can see that.
Oh, get his stuff from
Yeah, my bag.
Okay. Thank you.
Hope you're not jet lagged, though.
Nice.
I made sure they kept it clean.
Good job.
Thank you. I know you like it.
Great.
Come. Hurry up with the bags. Take the bag inside the room and rush to tell Nene to get the table set right now. Hurry.
Who's Nene?
Oh, Nene, the new maid I employed. But trust me, she's a really good cook. You're going to love her.
Oh, nice. I'm impressed.
I know. No, you don't. You just have to go upstairs and freshen up. No time to sit. Yes, upstairs.
Oh, yeah.
Upstairs. Yes.
I know, right?
Hurry! What are you doing?
Nene, you supposed to go for cookathon. Yes. Your name supposed to enter Guinness Book of Record. You go whole walk up saying that you sabi cook for the whole world. If this aroma is this sweet, how is the food going to taste?
See, you know, say today is a special day.
Yes, sir.
So I prepare better food. Maybe say if Oga taste the food, hey, he gonna say he don't come back home. You go say, who cook better food? That Oga go treat us better than how Madam treat us.
Sure.
So I want make Oga dey happy today. Wait, this one when you leave gates come here. Make Oga no wan come back because say gates dey lock open.
You don't even know say that the news are carry come now. Oga don land. Wait. Madam go say make I tell you say make you rush bring all the whole food outside.
Sharp.
Yes.
Oh yeah, go bring wine for make I set table.
At least make I lick fingers one.
Come out longer throat. Go bring something for
wine.
Go ask wine. Put am for table there they come. At least if I cook this food finish, Oga go come give Madam belle. Don't be say Madam go just stay like this. Oga. Hey, I don't feel wait to see Oga. Wow. I prepare this food with sweet mind. Wait, Oga, I think Jojo tell me say Oga don't come.
He went out to take a business call.
Yes. Hey, I don't feel wait to see Oga. This preparation we prepare today, there you go.
Where the fruits?
Where the fruits?
The fruits, you find like papi.
Hey!
Nene?
Jesus!
Nene?
Nene!
Baby, do you know her?
Hey!
Baby, do you
Wake
know
up!
her?
Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey happen? Is my oga a ghost in human body? Wetin dey up? How come Nene go just see my oga? Suddenly, he develop epilepsy. He fall for ground, faint, just like that. Ha! I been one of him brother for village wey die. Come up here for you. If Ghana ghost, if they know they not supposed to touch him now, but they know they touch ghost now. Wait oh. Even when Oga see Nene, immediately just freeze. Phone will just fall out from his hand. I no just understand wetin dey happen here. All I know say this story wey we dey hear see now, all this drama now no go complete without say ghost dey inside the story. Either na Nene be ghost or Oga na ghost. Ghost dey inside the story. I dey sure. Wait, so all this thing wey they tell us for film, say ghost appear, he disappear. So not true. No wonder. For our village, they talk to her, they say somebody died for Jos. He appeared for Port Harcourt. So now what's happening here? God, I beg. Now me be the first person who take like this beg you. I not come here can open gate for ghost too. We leave home to feed home. Oh. Make waiting and a chop for my mouth to not come up for my nose. But wait, I hear Nene call Oga my investment. I check something. I been a dying runaway boyfriend for village. When Nene they always talk about na him be my Oga. Only him now, what? This story is not clear. The story is not clear. Ah! I better go.
Nene. I never expected to see you here. I'm speechless. I'm very speechless. Completely short of words. Please. pull yourself together. Let's sort things out peacefully. But I have wronged you. I know that for a fact. I need you to forgive me. Please. I promise to make it up to you.
You are the Siso. Now you be this. I use my 2 eyes. See you today. When they tell me say Oga of the house they come, I've been there very happy. I use my clear mind. One welcome the Oga of the house. I don't know say the Oga of the house. My investment. I use my whole life savings, even borrow. Send you abroad. I don't know, say this. I don't know, say this big house. Not your house. You put woman for this house. Ogini Kamereki. What did I do you? What did I do you? What did I do you? What did I do you?
Nene, I feel your pain. I understand how you feel. But it's a long story. You need to pull yourself together.
You know what I suffer? Ikem, you know what I suffer when you travel? I lost everything. My family, my shop, my respect. I run leave village because I no fit pay the money why I owe that man. I run enter my investment house, come become maid. I become maid for your house. After everything I do for you. You're wicked. Why men wicked like this? Why this world they wicked? What did I do? I deserve this kind of thing. My hands they pain me. My hands they pain me. Oh, hey.
Baby, what exactly is going on? First, our maid sees you and she collapsed. Now she's in her bedroom. Our soon-to-be matrimonial bed. Now, this is too much. I can't take it.
You need to calm down.
Don't ask me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down.
I'll explain.
No, there's nothing to explain. Nene, leave this place immediately. Take your miserable self and get out of this place.
stop
tell
it.
me say you go make money, come back we go boss. You tell me borrow money, say you go pay me back. You tell me to send you to
So what you told me on the phone is true. This is what that dirty, disgusting girl did to you in your own husband's house.
Mama, she almost killed me.
Huh?
If not, I had to run for my life. Almost in my face.
Oh my God.
Mama, the worst part of it is, he came, just stood there, folded his arm like a weakling.
What?
He couldn't even beat her for doing this to me. That girl has disfigured me.
Oh, no. I will not take this. Who is she? Does she know who I am? I will injure her back. By the way, where's your husband?
Who is saying you want injure?
I told you she has been trying to kill her.
Are you alright? You want to kill someone?
You know how they accuse me for this house since? What
are you doing?
One, I don't like her.
Hey, Mama. I'm so sorry. Get up. I'm so sorry. Jesus Christ. I'm so sorry. Get up. Can you imagine this girl? So sorry. Please sit down.
The girl has finished.
See, I'm so sorry. Please, I'm so sorry. Please. I'm so sorry.
Where did you go?
I stepped out to confirm a transaction. I didn't believe this would happen.
Look at what your maid did. Look at what your maid did to my daughter.
What the hell is wrong with you?
No shot from you.
Yourself, right now.
Because I do everything when I say make I do. I run boy for them.
Listen.
I will kill you.
Can you be civil? Can you act like a civilized human being? What is wrong with you? You want to kill someone? Mama, I'm so sorry.
My in-law, please, who is she to you?
Come the invest money,
Mama.
You can go chop well, everything na me. My friends come they ask me say, Jay,
What to make me call you? Say I want tell you say, from today, I need be your madam for this house. If Bella and the mama won't stay for this house, they won't remain for this house, they will become my maid. They hear me so? So any message they send you, no ever try and say you won't go. I was gonna say my tell you.
You no go ever better for whoever do you this thing. You no go better for whoever do you this thing. So, they don't finally strike you with madness. They don't strike you. I don't say now ghost you see. So, what kind of ghost?
Something they worry you for. I be you don't decrease. And they tell you something, they give you order, you they tell me say order na ghost I see. I be the new madam of this house and I don't take charge. If na play, may you stop her. You hear me so, may you just stop her.
This matter is serious matter.
Jojo, you remember that investment I tell you about? You don't return.
I don't understand. What do? Now, God be that man where run, leaving for village, put you for this condition. Don't tell me. So now, God, promote you for your rightful position. Can't get the wicked Bella and the mama put for there.
When I don't take the position back, I don't take my rightful position back. Now me be the woman in charge for this house.
Hey!
Anything will go on for this house, now me go talk and it go happen. Like I tell you, say that's Bella and the mama. If they won't remain for this house, they go become my maid.
Wow.
What nonsense!
Wow. When they there, when they their position with that, I accept that.
In fact, you know what thing will happen? I go increase your salary. I go increase your food portion. And I go increase your rest. Because you deserve to rest. But see when they work, go rest. So relax.
Thank you.
Now me they in charge.
God bless you. God bless you. In fact, I endorse your new government.
Waiting you they use money do. Just I tell them come and see my investment. Come and see
Before I
my
explain myself,
syrup.
I'd like to apologize for the inconvenience and the embarrassment I've caused both of you. I understand how you feel. I know you are upset. I know you are confused. I also know you want answers. But not to worry. I'm here to say the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Nene and I were very, very close. In fact, before I traveled abroad, Nene was my girlfriend in the village. We were lovers. Yeah. Nene would literally do anything for me. She loved me with all her life. Nene was like a mother to me. She saw me through school. She fed me. She gave me shelter. She took care of me. I don't know how to express how much she loved me. All my life, I've always wanted to travel. And one day, Nene took a loan to expand her shop. She runs a petty shop, like a provision store. And she took a loan to expand. So I tried to convince her to give me the money so I can travel abroad, because I've always wanted to travel abroad but didn't have the money to cater for that. And somehow, I was able to convince her. Nene gave me the money. But here is why I said she would do literally anything for me. Nene gave me her life savings. She emptied every single thing in her bank account just for me to travel. But Mama, before I traveled, I made a promise to her. I told her I would work hard abroad, return the money, and also marry her. When I traveled, things changed. To cut a long story short, I began to see Bella's pictures on Instagram. Bella and I, we come from way back. I liked her so much at the time, but didn't know how to reach out to her because she was one of those big girls in school. And you can't approach such girls in school if you don't have money. So I was not able to reach out to her because I didn't have the resources to do that. When I traveled abroad and started making money, I felt the opportunity had come to reach out to Bella because I had always loved her and I had always wanted to be with her. So I started reaching out to Bella and we got talking and things became different. To be honest, I had no idea I'd come back to Nigeria to find Nane working in my house as a maid.
Bella, have you seen it? Have you seen it? The first day I set my eyes on that girl, I warned you about the danger of bringing a grown-up girl, in fact, a full-grown woman who is heavily endowed into your home as a housemaid. But you wouldn't listen. Look at it. Look at the kind of embarrassment you're bringing on us. Very soon, we that thought we are in charge will not lose our position to a common maid. Have you heard it? I told you. Look at this same relationship that was so precious to you. This same relationship that was so precious to you is about to slip off your hand because you did not listen to your mother. Look at it. The mad, stupid, disgusting maid. This same maid you told me is too dirty. He's too dirty. Cannot. Look at it. She's about to destroy the relationship you've labored over the years to build.
Mom, how was I supposed to know? How was I supposed to know that Nene is Ikem's ex-girlfriend? How was I to know she sent him abroad? Who would ever think that she would ever have such an amount of money? Baby, look at what she's done to me. She'll kill me if she continues to live in this house. The only thing I can think of is for you to just pay her. Pay her for all she's done for you. Return every single penny she spent in sending you abroad so she can leave us alone.
My in-law, I think Bella has a point here. Yes, that's the only way. Pay her off. I know you're wealthy enough to even pay her double or triple the amount she spent on you. Yes, because her mere presence in this house is dangerous to all of us, including you. She might wake up one day and beat you to death. See those her muscles. I know what this girl did to me. Oh. It was just God that saved me. If not that you came, she would have killed me. Let her just settle her and let her go.
He came go chop well. Everything na me. My friends say come they ask me say.
Nene, I'm here to make peace. I didn't forget all you did for me. As a matter of fact, I can remember all the sacrifices. Listen, we need to move on. I came up with a plan. I wrote you a check of 5 million. This should cover all the expenses. And this is more or less like an appreciation to say thank you for all you did for me. I still care about you, don't get it twisted. But a lot has changed between us. We are no longer in the same class. And I strongly believe that your own man will come. He will find you.
You dey bribe me? You want make I was you?
It's not a bribe. It is a token to show my appreciation.
He came and said, "May you shut up! You dey mad, you dey crazy. Something dey worry you for head. Why you dey call me your messiah? Say that when they give you money, they give you when you chop. Where this money come from? Make I just tell you something, eh? You see that's the way you promise me before you travel. Before I carry you travel, you go do one. You go pay my bride price, you go marry me. And you go carry me go Obodo Oyibo. If not, one of us go die. So I not be your messiah again, Abi? You dey come in my messiah, my woman. God go punish you. God go fire you. When those two people said? When those two people?
See my ride or die. Now him the chop my money.
Now the man, you be pressed for head. I be bumped in your head. Madam bump, una dey mad, una dey crazy. Eh? For another man, for another person investment, my investment. Now you want to take what belong to me. You dey crazy. Eh? Yeah, this girl, what is your problem? Eh? What is your problem? Look, I've had enough of your silliness and arrogance. I can't take it again. Madam, then go now. Go. It's very, very simple. Make you go. Make you leave us alone. Yourself as a mother where you be. How you go allow your daughter come stay for another man's house and they never pay him bride price? That's all you they do. A shower. It is you. It is your mother that is a shower. It is all your family. I will kill you. Why they go a shower? Why they go a shower?
Can you pull yourself together?
Are you my investment? Are you be my investment?
Can you pull yourself together?
What can I make up myself together? This woman now wins. After everything what I don't suffer for you.
Do you want to kill her? Do you want to kill her? Take her out of here! Take her out of here! Get out! Push her out of here!
This girl has finished me. I want to go.
I dey walk, I dey hustle, I dey make him.
Nene, you're doing well. You're doing well. Keep it up. See, give them woto. From today, you're so now, if you face me, I face you. For 1 week, if you give them no peace back to back, they don't go get church, they go just pack them out.
Good.
Yes, now.
See, as I did like this, I don't even go lock the kitchen.
Confirm.
If they want use the kitchen, may they can't take my permission. They go take my permission, they go ask me first if they go fit use the kitchen, if I go agree.
I go wine.
What nonsense.
Confirm.
See, can you imagine, say, Ikem, they give me 5 million. Say, make I go and continue your life. Eh? Say another man go come find me. Can you imagine what that go to the talk? Go and can you get 1 million?
Wait. Oga give 5 million naira.
Yes, now.
Why you collect am now?
5 million. Isn't that one use 5 million do? Eh?
Oh,
See, we get agreement. We get agreement. The agreement now say, if he go abroad, he go they send me money. Then when he come back, he go marry me. Now the agreement be that.
Why they talk
You know, girls say they use 5 million.
Why they talk like this? All this money where they come out, and your money be this. Oh, you collect and the money peacefully. Waka, jeje, enter bank, put inside your bank, come back again. They fight for your right. Now your money be this now.
I don't understand.
What me they we know? I say it's small picking. I think they we no go understand now. You know, woman, enter there, convince them, seduce them, tell them, say if I put this time around, put them 7 million. He go pay. He go still insist, he go still manage you. You know, as
Woman of the house now, as madam of the, you need to buy hair, wear clothes, dress well, wear high heel, all those koi shoe. Behave like madam of the house now.
But I don't tear the check wey him give me.
Convince am to write the check again. Now what for you? You dey want allow opportunity to jump you pass. Convince am to this na your time to cash out. All those ones where you dey suffer all this while. Na your time now to cash out. What do they do this kind of thing? They give 5 million naira for hand, you see am, you no collect am. The one where you hold for hand better pass the one you no see for eye. The one where you keep on hand.
Let me see $1,000 now 1 million naira. You tell me say you go make money, come back with
You don't ask me to calm down because I won't. That girl has cost my mom and I so much pain ever since you got back. Your coming back was supposed to bring me peace. It was supposed to be a happy moment for me. But guess what? It's been sad and a traumatic experience for me. What? You said you were going to give her a check of 5 million naira. What happened? Why is she still here?
You need to calm down. I need to explain things to you, but you need to calm down. Okay? I gave her a check of 5 million naira. But guess what? She tore it. She tore it into pieces. Yes. She said, I must keep to my own part of the bargain. That I promised to get married to her the moment I am back. That I must do that. I have tried to explain to her why it isn't possible to get married to her. But she wouldn't listen. Okay? But on the other hand, I need you to understand something, Mama. This girl is hurt. I betrayed her. It is only natural for her to be angry.
Look, nobody is saying she has no right to be angry. But her constant attack on my daughter and I is what I can no longer condone. What is the problem? I've told you to settle her. If she has refused to be settled, then force her out. You are the man of this house and should stop allowing her to intimidate you. If she refuses to be forced, then involve some boys. I can even help you and bring some boys for you.
Mama, I'm sorry, I can't do that. Nah, it's impossible.
What?
I can't, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I can't hurt her a second time.
What?
I can't do that. Listen, it's a terrible situation. Mama, I need you to understand one thing. This girl is in pain. This girl is dying inside. It is only natural for her to be ruthless because I betrayed her. But I need you to do something for me. Do me a favor, all right? Be patient. Relax. And endure everything she puts up.
For how long do you expect my mom and I to endure?
Listen to me. I came with a lot of money to go around. All right? Just be patient with me. I need time to convince her to leave. But it's not going to be easy. But trust me, if I'm able to do that, we can all celebrate.
So you want me to endure her maltreating me? For how long? Baby. Hi. Look at everything I'm going through. I can't even use the kitchen. I can watch TV in this house at my own will. I now live like a maid in your house. I can't do this. I can't. It's too much. It's too much.
Ike, my daughter is hurting and I'm not finding it funny. I am not liking it at all. She didn't do anything wrong other than accepting you. Imagine, look at what your local ex-girlfriend has reduced her to. Look at how my daughter is hurting. You better do something. You better do something before you ruin your chances of building a beautiful home with my beautiful and educated daughter. Because if you stoop as low as getting married to that local disgusting girl, the whole world will laugh at you. The world will laugh at you.
You have to fight with everything in you. You can't just leave it like that.
Jet Li, Chunga, Changun. You want to fight for her? Oh yeah, come fight. Come fight me. I want to see me you fight me.
I'm actually here for you, you this dirty girl. So you destroyed my foreign clothes without letting me know.
What are you talking about?
Yes. She burnt my clothes and she didn't even let me know.
Hope you like the map of Africa why it's stamped for there. You like our Avi? If I count 1 to 5, you know come up for here. You know go like yourself.
Come on, get out. Who do you think you are? Look at this one. If you can't 1 to what? Who do you think you are? Go and come back. Don't tell me that. Go and come back. Let me see what you can do. Don't trust that what? I am not African.